Hey everybody, I'm here with another reaction, Elvis reaction. You lost that loving feeling. That was a request. So I want to, I'm doing a car reaction. Oh yeah. And I'm parked. And let's hear this song. I don't think I've never heard him sing this song. This is a live. Maybe 1970, I think, or 71, I'm not sure. But let's hear it.
You never close your eyes anymore when I kiss your lips. There's no tenderness like before in your fingertips. You're trying hard not to show it, baby. But baby, baby, I know it. You lost that loving feeling. Oh, that loving feeling. You lost that loving feeling. Now it's gone, gone, gone. There's no tenderness in your eyes when I reach out for you. Girl, you're starting to criticize every little thing I do. It makes me just feel like crying, babe. 'Cause baby, something beautiful died. You lost that loving feeling. Oh, that loving feeling. You lost that loving feeling. Now it's gone, gone, gone. Whoa. Baby, I'd get down on my knees for you. The suit wasn't too tight. If you would only love me like you used to do. Yeah.
Wow.
We had a love.
You lost that loving feeling.
I love
Wow.
you forever, baby. Oh, don't take it away. Listen to me, talking to me. Bring back that love feeling. Oh, that love feeling. Bring back that love feeling. Now it's gone, 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 and I can't go on.
Oh my goodness. Thank you for that request. Wow. You lost that loving feeling. I'm telling you, Elvis is so adored. He has, gosh, I mean, it made me almost want to cry right now, y'all. I mean, when I was a little girl, and I don't know when I found out he died. I don't know if that was the actual time he died, or I watched a movie about his life and then I cried because it was just like he had died. I mean, I just loved Elvis. You know, no matter what nobody said, whether it's negative about Elvis, I loved Elvis. And I was a little girl, so if I know at that time, I was born in 1969, and I know he died in the 70s. So I was still a little girl, but when I watched him for the first time, you know, it was because of my parents. They love listening to Elvis. I can't get the years right. Ooh, we 2021 now. But I do know that I've listened to his music, and he has so much music that I know that I haven't listened to it all. So these videos that I've been doing, that people have been requesting, or that I've been going through his music, is like, wow, I've never heard that name of that song, or I heard it sang by somebody else, but not by Elvis. So I'm like, to hear that, I mean, it gets really emotional, because this man did so much for his fans. You know, he just brought them on in by the droves. You know, that's why people love him so much today. He is, I've said it before, he just his music is just transcended to time. And he will forever always be someone that is loved. So that's all I want to say about that. So we're just gonna move on to the next reaction. Don't forget, you know what to do. Don't meet me there, beat me there.